So I have completed my course in CMTI, CACM course, ma'am. Now I got placed in a good company. Friends, means don't miss the opportunity. If any interview they send, you should not say no. You have to approach the interview. And then, if it is
Hi, Rohini.
hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm good, Rohini. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before start, congratulations for your placements, Rohini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce about yourself?
Myself, Rohini, ma'am. I'm from Gulbarga. I completed my MTech, ma'am, in VTU Regional Center, Gulbarga. So I have completed my course in CMTI, CACM course, ma'am. Now I got placed in a good company.
Okay. So what and all you learned in CACM?
CACM, it's all about construction, ma'am. But CMTI gave us opportunity for learning also interiors also. So both the course we completed, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಇತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಫೈನ್. ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ರೋಹಿಣಿ ನೀವು?
2023, ma'am. This MTech, ma'am. BE I have completed in 2020.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ CMTI ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
My friend referred me, ma'am. She also got completed and she joined 1 year. She's working now.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
It was good, ma'am. We learnt a lot, ma'am. There, the guide were there, the trainers were there with us. They took us there, and it helped a lot. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what about your software training and all?
Software, I learned SketchUp, ma'am. It was new to me. I did not learn before it. So AutoCAD, SketchUp, MSP also I learned. So about software was good, ma'am. We learned.
Okay. So how was your trainers and all?
Yeah, trainers was good, ma'am. No doubt about that. They were making us that to learn. They were asking us if any doubts you can ask like that. They were also very good. Not
Fine.
to talk.
So the approach was very good.
Yes, ma'am. Trainers were also good, ma'am. Natarajan sir, like that. They were good, ma'am.
Okay. So what about CMTI app and all? How did that help you?
Yes, ma'am. We were taking test, ma'am. Daily test we can take, and upon that we can judge about ourselves how we are improving and all.
So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination?
Friendly, ma'am. No doubt. It was friendly, and if any problem, we used to approach. Yeah,
Oh.
they were giving solutions. They used to give us.
Okay, fine. So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Rohini?
Friends, means don't miss the opportunity. If any interview they send, you should not say no. You have to approach the interview, and then if it is pass or fail, but at the last you will get the experience, and by trying you can get, ma'am. You can get any offer, and don't what we say, don't leave, don't miss the opportunity. That I can say now.
Okay. So what about Ashok sir and all? How was?
They used to support us, ma'am. Ashok sir supported a lot, ma'am. Really. Don't fear, learn why we came here to CMTI to gain the knowledge. You have to, don't miss the classes, and don't miss the class. You have to learn, and assignment rooms are there. You have to take the assignments. They used to tell us not to waste the time because we came so far from around 600 kilometers far away we are coming, means they used to support us. They supported a lot.
Okay. So thank you, Rohini. Thank you so much for your feedback, and surely all the best for your upcoming days. And once again, congratulations for your
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you so much. Okay.